Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here let me go back. Here we need to scroll and find the option Sounds and Vibration. Here all we need to do is to tap on Ringtone, and we've been transferred to the full list of available ringtones from which we can choose. So basically all you need to do is to go through the list and check which one you like the most. To do that, simply tap on the ringtone, and we are muted. That's why we cannot really hear it. Oh, not this button. Let me just volume it down. And this is basically how it works, right? So we can tap on the specific one and decide whether we like it or not. So let's pretend I would like to set this one. So make sure that it is marked and then go back. As you can see, it will be immediately applied. It is notified here, which means that our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Moreover, here at the very top of the list, we've got this option silent, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And also this option here in the right upper corner, we've got this plus icon. So basically you can enter your own files. If you've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded, it should appear somewhere here or somewhere in the folders, and you will be able to choose it and set it as your ringtone. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.